this. Yep. Alright, so fan on and off, dimmer switch. Click it once it goes onto the setting, click it twice it goes fully on. And I'm gonna put it back together because the power's on. Alright, probably need to double check that this is level, but the switches are level, screws are straight. Oh. Okay, that's the fan. Looks messed up, I don't know. It kind of looks screwed. Once. Alright guys, so if you don't mind the food dryer over there cooking bananas, then that's cool. So my neighbor needed some help with her switch or whatever. She thought the fan was humming and making noise. So her son or whoever took apart the switch and the fan or whatever. So I went over there and basically she told me, she said, go pick out whatever you need. So I went and picked out a new dimmer for the light, for the LED. I think she said it wasn't working, so I guess I did need a new switch. But anyways, put all the new stuff back in, and then basically just found out it was still humming. So I basically just told her pull down the chain because it's on full speed on the fan. Hum was gone, and I think I don't know if the light still wouldn't have worked because I think it needed a LED switch or whatever. But basically, if she would have left it alone, theoretically it would have been fine if she just would have pulled the chain. But I think she did need a new light switch. So anyways, got it all working, and it didn't take that long. I'd say it took longer than I thought, just because the freaking wires were super short in the box. But I'd say maybe like 30 minutes. So she gave me 60 bucks. I had to go buy the parts, which was like 35 bucks, 61 cents. So I got like $24.39 for like a half hour or something. So worked out pretty good for me. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did just get this new Uber sticker. I was gonna put it on the back of my window, but I'm retarded and this is black, and black on black is invisible. So I have to go get a new, I have to order another white Uber sticker. And basically I was gonna take this off, but I was like, whatever, $5 or whatever. So I'm gonna leave it there for now until I get the new one. So I was going through the Krispy Kreme donut line. The guy's like, is this thing yours? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, what do you do? I was like, oh, I'm just an electrician. And then he's like, he saw the sticker. He's like, so you Uber too? And I was like, nah, I was just doing that for fun or whatever, to be funny or whatever. But it was hilarious that the freaking first time I took it out, the guys already noticed and asked me about it. It was pretty funny. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Just a little special upload on Sunday. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I will see you back tomorrow after work. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out, y'all.